Hello everyone and welcome to this another tutorial on Sony Vegas Pro 16. And today's video we'll be talking about how to move all or multiple clips at once. If you are new in this channel, please consider subscribing and hit on the bell so that you won't miss any of our content. Let's get into the video. In Sony Vegas, there are so many possible ways on how to automatically move your clips at once. Suppose you want to select all of your events in your timeline. There are so many possibilities. You can either go to Ctrl A on your keyboard and then you drag to the position you want, and maybe insert anything at the beginning of your clip or at the beginning of your timeline. Maybe you forgot to put your intro. Secondly, you can also use this auto ripple tool. Make sure you select the all tracks markers so that this will automatically drag to your desired position all of your tracks, including your regions, your markers, and everything that is involved in your project. So make sure you check this point and then you click on it so that it becomes blue, or you use Ctrl L to uncheck, Ctrl L to highlight. You can drag it to any position you desire. Suppose you want to select a particular track, maybe including something in between a particular track. You forgot to put a text here, and then you, without this auto ripple tool, you see that you cannot input something. It will be somehow time consuming, dragging clips by clips just to insert your new video that you forgot. So what to do is you head up over to this position, to your auto ripple, select affected tracks, and now you check this. You see that if I'm dragging here, only the affected tracks, the audio is going along with it because the audio was cropped on that video, was a recorded video, so it comes with the audio part. So now I can insert maybe my text or any video in between this area. So after that, you can still bring back this one to meet with the event you just included. So another main point to select these clips at once, maybe a particular section you want to either delete or copy, you use the selection edit tool. When you click on it, it becomes like this, or you use your D, you press D on your keyboard until you find this icon, then you click and drag to highlight the particular clips. So now I can resize this one. The other areas are moving because I did not uncheck my auto ripple. So clicking over or hitting Ctrl L, then I can see that only this section is moving. If I want to copy tracks, maybe particular clips that aligns in a particular track, for example, I want to copy this from here to here, this line. I will just select the first at the top, then I hold down shift and click on the last one. Now this other one was also grouped, that is why it is coming this way. So to ungroup, you select the clip, then you press U on your keyboard. So now that is why only this particular area is moving. To select clips that aligned together, you will just need to click on the first and then you move on to the ones you want to click last. So you see that it has automatically selected everything from here to here, but that doesn't go when you want to select clips that don't succeed each other. So like this, if I want to select, I will need to press down Ctrl and select the particular areas. That is the only option to select clips that doesn't succeed each other. So that was the package I put for you today in this tutorial. So if you found it helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share, comment and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.